Hey guys, it's Travis from the Third Gear Speed Shop coming at you with a Speed Shop update. So as it turns out, guys, I'm taking a break from the AV8 Roadster project that we started. It is still over there on that bench, and we'll walk over there in a minute. But this project that you're looking at right here has been on my primary bench for quite a while, and as the Acme show in Atlanta is getting closer, I really want to finish this thing before that show. So I decided to put the AV8 Roadster on hold, and I promise we'll get back to that and make videos on that. But for now, I just really need to focus on this project. And I have a few photos that I'll put at the end of this video to give you kind of an idea of where it's going. But basically, as you can see, it's a 32 5-window coupe. It's the Revell kit. And we can just zoom in a little bit closer here. It's got the stock firewall from the Rat Roaster kit. And apologize, I'm handheld today. But yeah, it's going to be built in the East Coast style, which means it's going to be channeled, not chopped. It's going to have cycle fenders, lots of chrome, and shiny paint. So we'll get into detail on it later. Probably the next time you see it, it will be finished, hopefully. And I'm just really full court press on this build to get it ready for Atlanta, because I'm afraid if I don't, then it just won't be ready, and I'd really love to have that sitting on the table in Atlanta. So it's always, in my head, it's always good to finish projects before you start another one. But then at the same time, if we want to walk over here to the other bench real quick. So yeah, I've got two benches going. As you can see here, there's the AV8 Roadster, and all the parts have been dechromed, and they've been dechromed for quite a while. And as I was going through my parts box looking for parts for this project, I came across this thing. It's an AMT, another 5-window, AMT 5-window. And I don't know, it's just started pulling parts together, and I'm sort of working on kind of a little mock-up of another project altogether. So anyway, this is just kind of in the fun idea stage, and as you can see, I've pulled out couple rear ends, some tire choices, and I've got boxes of parts and kits and everything everywhere. So yeah, just been having a lot of fun, and you know, got multiple projects going on at the same time. But the project on that bench over there is the one I'm really focused on and working on trying to finish. So hopefully I will have, I might put together some how-to videos and little tips and tricks type things that I've been meaning to get out in the next few weeks. But like I said, I'm just full court press on that East Coast coupe in time for Atlanta. And as soon as I finish that, you will be seeing a video of it. So hope you guys are doing well, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.